So right now I'm marking up the exhaust, well, the downpipe. So it's gonna be a little quick update. I'm running off to work right now, but more or less the car's together. A few little things I gotta figure out, like this hose. It's, I don't know, I'm gonna figure that out. But it looks like it may work. It's the whole front. I'm just over here. Check out my popcorn welds. First time welding, just trying to, you know, make everything look good. Trying to make the exhaust a little bit, so we're fairly close up what I want. So next, all the fuel lines are hooked up. I'll give you a look at the back. So that's the back. The panels are back in. The lines are in. The fuel pump is wired up. Just gotta put the hat on, tighten everything up. And that big old hose is gonna be the vent for the tank. So obviously I'm gonna cut it, but save that for a little bit later. Oh. Of course, carpet's in. Still look like a little bit of mess, but now we got gears, baby. So little by little, it's coming together. Fuel system is all plumbed and hooked up. So soon we have to test it. Have to just put a few more parts on, but yeah, she's coming together. And once again, I'm kind of proud of these, you know, first time welding. It's coming out pretty decent. Right now I'm working on the exhaust, the downpipe section. So I'm just gonna mock up, doing a little bit of tack welding. So this is what we have so far. I'm just working what I have. I'm gonna have to get the oval settings, so this way it'll give me more clearance and also look better. But if you haven't realized, the key right now is just to get it going so I can start driving it and semi enjoying ourselves. Definitely not an easy welder. That was a problem. The gap opened up. Examples going on. So I'm just tacking this up. I'm gonna try to weld it today and see if it comes through well. This is my first attempt at actual welding. So for right now, I'm pretty happy. I mean, I had to break that spot off, but I'm gonna have to fill it in. But hey, first time doing it, so keep hoping it goes well. Now I just gotta find out how to do this one so it clears transfer case without giving me too much damage. Cut this down a little bit more flush. Right now it's not oval. Right now it's an oval and not a circle. stainless steel, so as you can see, it's kind of tough to cut, but it's working. So I left it this one with a slight angle to help, you know, kick out away from the transfer case. So let's go fit it up and see what happens. Oops. This is how you work by yourself, guys. You got an extra pair of hands, you know, use a jack stand. Or a jack, sorry. Pieces of wood, you know. I'll get you where you need to be. Okay, so we kind of got it in place, so now put some tape on it just to help try to keep it, you know, exactly where it needs to be so I can tack weld it. Okay, so by no means am I a good welder. I'm just practicing. This is my first partake at this whole thing, so don't judge me. I know they look like popcorn, but hey, popcorn is better than nothing right now. A little better from that to that. Okay, a little proud of that one, you know, a little proud of it. That's the one I just did. A little proud of that one. Those are the ones before. So I'm getting better. Starting to understand machine a little bit. So yeah. So we got welds. They're not beautiful, they're functional. For our first time, I'm pretty happy. This is a downpipe, well made, tacked it. So I'm pretty happy. For first time, I think it looks decent. So keep watching, guys. So that's the exhaust. It's all bolted up. That's clearance around the transfer case and goes down. Wish I could get it, I could have gotten a little bit straighter, but if I did, it would have interfered with the sway bar. So right now, for a first shot, that's good. Next time I know, instead of making a bend here, make it a little bit around here. So this way I can just go straight down. That's for the next exhaust. Because as we know, everything goes in stages with me. do stuff, use what I have, and then buy more stuff later. That's how this works, guys. So, right now, I'm just trying to make a bracket. I could probably mount right here and just support the exhaust, because it is going to be a bit heavy. So I'm going to mount it right here. It's going to be well onto this, you know, using my newfound skills. And put something like that. So that's how it's going to be. Okay, so this is the update that has been happening with the car. So far, everything is getting mounted up, more or less. The downpipe is there. We're still working on the lower tube. Screamer pipe. There you go. But mainly this damn radiator placement thing. So that's honestly what's been kicking everybody's ass, trying to figure out where we're gonna put it. So we came up with an idea. Most likely we're just gonna cut off this top flange right here at the bottom and re-weld it down there at the end and have it angled to where it comes out towards the side. So that's one solution we came up with. But so far, this car is looking well. You know, all the harnesses in. This is the old harness we have. Just gotta route a few more coolant lines for the back, and we should be ready to start her up. That's it. And that's the oil pan we made. That's just to get the car home. We're gonna redo it out of aluminum, but this is just to get everything home. That's a downpipe that I made along with the help of my teacher. But so far, you know, everything look good. That's my little welds there at the back. I think I showed you guys that before, but it works. So yeah, it's a lot of mess, but we're just cleaning things up little by little. But we're almost at the finish line, guys. Almost at the finish line. We're trying to start it up next week, so wish me luck.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.